Are you tired of spending endless hours on repetitive tasks? Do you want to free up your time and resources to focus on what really matters? Look no further than Zapify AI. Our automation company leverages the power of AI to streamline and optimize your business processes, making your work easier, faster, and more efficient. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing you with the best possible service. We work with you to identify pain points in your business processes and develop customized solutions that meet your unique needs. From tech to logistics to customer service, Zapify AI has the tools and expertise to take your business to the next level. And with our automated systems, you can rest easy knowing that even the most complex tasks are being handled with ease. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers have seen significant improvements in their businesses since partnering with Zapify AI and save an average of 7 hours a week. By implementing our innovative solutions, businesses have seen increased productivity, decreased costs, and ultimately, a higher return on investment. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards a brighter future for your business today. Contact Zapify AI and experience the power of AI automation. Zapify AI, streamline, optimize and thrive.